Hello students, this is Ritika Sharma, teacher of Ambi International School, Nayagaon, Kota. So today we will be studying about the chapter which name is The Unbreakable. It's your chapter 11 in English textbook. So kids, today we will be studying about the famous woman boxer who is MC Mary Kom. So let's start the chapter. The Unbreakable. Boxer MC Mary Kom won the bronze medal in 2012 in London Olympics and shot to fame. She is a source of inspiration throughout the country, but who inspires her? Where does Mary Kom come from? And what are her goals? How did she achieve success? And read on to know more about Magnificent Mary. In this chapter, we will read about Mary Kom, MC Mary Kom, who inspire her, where does Mary come from, वो कहाँ से आई हैं, उन्होंने क्या किया, कितना उन्होंने struggle किया. We will read about it in this chapter. So let's start. 5 times world boxing champion Mang Chungenjiang Mary Kom, also known as Magnificent Mary, is from Manipur. So MC Mary Kom belongs to Manipur. She has won 6 medals in World Championship since 2001, the only women boxer to do so. So MC Mary Kom was one of the women who won 5 times in World Boxing Champion continuously उन्होंने 5 टाइम हमारे इंडिया को उन्होंने मेडल्स दिलवाए हैं. एंड शी इज़ द ओनली वुमेन बॉक्सर टू डू सो, एंड शी इज़ द ओनली वुमेन who could do this. Mary Kom was born on 1 March 1983 to parents who worked in the field of Manipur. So, Mary Kom's parents work in the field and of Manipur. He rise from the humble fields to become India's most successful and well-known women boxer in a largely male-dominated sports is inspiring. So वो ऐसी जगह से belong करती हैं जहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा मेल डोमिनेटेड स्पोर्ट है, बेसिकली इन आवर सोसाइटी वी थिंक ऐसा कंसीडर किया जाता है दैट द वुमेन शुड नॉट गो फॉर बॉक्सिंग, शुड नॉट गो फॉर स्पोर्ट्स. So when I started, she said, when I started, I had no encouragement and no support. She said that when she started boxing, she had no encouragement, no support from any of them, from his parents, friends और family members and जो society होती है उससे कोई भी support उनको नहीं था. It was very difficult because I come from a poor family and I had to struggle a lot for the first 4 or 5 years because she had no encouragement or no support because she come from a low background. She belongs to a poor family, that's why, and she has to struggle a lot for more than 5 or 4 years. She recalls, I never had money to buy a proper kit or good shoes. She said that she recalls that she hadn't any money, she had little money to buy a proper kit, to buy a proper boxing kit or a good shoes. And I used to travel long distance by bus or train. Before she became famous, उससे पहले उनको बहुत ज़्यादा struggle करना पड़ा था. She used to travel long distance by buses and trains. One of the reason she took up boxing was to help her dependent family lead a better life. One of the reason, बहुत सारे reasons में से एक reason ये भी था that she will have to lead her family, she will have to grow her family. Boxing is not considered respectable for women and nobody believed I could be a boxing champion, not even my friends. So as I told you that in our society, people think that people consider that the women could not go for sport, women could not go for boxing because it's not a good job for them. So boxing is not considered respectable for women, and nobody believed I could be a boxing champion. So nobody could believe that she could be a boxing champion, not even his friends, not even her friends. Our neighbors said all kinds of things. So their neighbor also discourage her कि आप नहीं कर सकती हैं, और बहुत ज़्यादा discouragement उनको मिला था अपने neighbor से, अपने friends से, अपनी family से. But I wanted to show that not just men but even women can do anything they want, she says. And she just want to prove everybody that not only man, every woman can do whatever she want. Although Mary Kom was a mean athlete from the childhood, she was very good in athlete from her childhood. It was only after Manipur's male boxer Dinko Singh won the gold medal in the 1998 Asian Games that a young Mary became serious about boxing. उनकी वजह से ये डिंको सिंह जो हैं, इनकी द मेल बॉक्सर, इनकी वजह से she become serious about boxing. What followed was a period of immense. So after become so serious about her boxing, about her career, she had to do a lot of hard work and a lot of training, intensive training, a lot of training she had to do with that man. Convincing her parents tough was a much tougher job. So उनके पेरेंट्स को भी कन्विंस करना, दैट वॉज द टफेस्ट जॉब फॉर हर, बिकॉज उनके पेरेंट्स की मेंटालिटी भी उनकी सोसाइटी की तरह ही थी, दैट द वुमेन कैन नॉट गो फॉर बॉक्सिंग. Initially, I didn't tell my family because boxing is a very tough sport, and initially in the beginning she didn't tell anybody, she didn't tell the family members that she does boxing because it is a very tough sport. When my father saw my photo in the paper after I won the 2000 state championship, he really scolded me. When her father saw the picture, the newspaper, that she won the 2000 state championship जब उन्होंने won किया तो उनका picture देखा, then he really scolded her, then he really scolded MC Mary Kom. Mary says he didn't want me to continue. He thought it would be difficult for me to get married. He thought that he want that he should not go for this sport because it is very tough to get married. उनके लिए मैरी करना बहुत ज़्यादा टफ हो जाएगा, दैट्स वाई उन्होंने उसके लिए कंटिन्यू करने के लिए मना कर दिया था. बट समहाउ आई मैनेज टू कन्विंस हिम, एंड सिंस देन आई हैव माई फैमिलीज फुल सपोर्ट, एंड somehow she convinced their parents and his parents, and since then she had full support of her family. After winning the silver medal at the 2001 Women's Amateur Boxing Championships, she took the gold in the next 5. After winning the silver medal at 2001 Women Amateur Boxing Championship, she took the gold in the next 5, becoming the first woman boxer to win 6 consecutive world titles. कंटिन्यूसली उन्होंने वर्ल्ड टाइटल्स जीते, कंटिन्यूसली उन्होंने हमारे जो कंट्री है उनके लिए मेडल्स वॉन किए. With 5 Asian Women Championships title and 11 national titles under her belt, she also received the Arjuna Award 2003, the Padma Shri Award 2006, and the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award 2009, and a special award from the International Boxing Association in 2009. She won these kinds of award also. when she won bronze medal in London Olympics, she gained her popularity again. After almost 2 years, boxer MC Mary Kom is back after being blessed with a third son. I miss being in the ring. She said that she missed being in the ring with but now I am a new mother, and that is happiness of another kind. And she said that this is the another kind of happiness she have. She is the Olympic gold quest sponsored world champion. Looking after the kids keeps us busy. The twins, these are the name of her twins, and twins are getting along quite well, says the mother of three. Mother of three means MC Mary Kom says that they both are busy to look after their children's. The elder two are busy making their young sibling groove to Gangnam Style, and their two sons, their two twins, are busy to look after their younger one. The five-time world champion is currently dedicating her time to a boxing academy she opened in Imphal 2006. She continue the five-time world champion. The five-time world champion means MC Mary Kom had currently opened the academy, the sport academy in Imphal, which is the capital city of Manipur, in 2006. I started the academy because people came up to me and asked me to teach them to sports. I couldn't say no because I want better boxers to emerge and make this country proud, she said. She said that why she started academy, why she opened that academy, because people came her and said to teach and to teach them their children this sport, and she couldn't say no to them, their parents, because she always want better boxers to emerge and make this country proud by this kind of sport. The government has provided her the land for open the for the academy, but she is still looking for funds to have a state of the art training faculty. Nothing can be bigger than the Olympics. She said that nothing can be bigger than the Olympic, because she is also an athlete. That's why she said like this. I am fortunate to have been able to test myself at that level. She is very lucky. She consider her very lucky that she have been able to test herself at this kind of level, at that level. But my aim was the gold, and I could not fulfill it. But she said that her aim was for the gold, to win gold, but she could not fulfill it. And I am looking ahead to the Rio Games with the gold medal as a goal. And now she is saying that she is looking ahead in the Rio Games with the gold medal as a goal. उनका गोल था एक कि गोल्ड मेडल को उनका अचीव करना है. इन लंदन आई डिड नॉट फाइट in my weight category 48 kg. I fought in 50 kg category. In Rio they are adding 3 more weight categories to exiting 3. If they introduce a 48 category, I think I can really get the gold. I still have the will. She said that she is 48 kg and I fought in 50 kg category. She fought in 50 kg category in Rio. They are adding 3 more weight categories. Rio में उन्होंने 3 और categories add किया to exiting 3. If they introduce a 48 kg category, she said that if they introduce 48 kg category, she think that she can really get the gold. I still have the will. She said that she still have the will to win. Magnificent Mary is determined to overcome the odds as always. She always was a fighter. She always from the beginning she is a fighter as always. As a pioneer of women boxing in India, Mary is already as an inspiration for many others who hope to follow in her footstep, including several young girls training at the MC Mary Kom Academy. She is the source of inspiration for many women, and many girls, many young girls, except these young girls who are the who are in training campus at the MC Mary Kom Academy, in the MC Mary Kom Academy. I am very proud because I have done something special for India. She said that she feels very proud because she won medals for India. She won many awards for India. If I can achieve more in the future, that will be great. She said that if she can achieve more medals and more achievements in for India, it will be greater for her. I am working hard and training with full focus. Of course, I miss my family and my children. She said that she missed her family and children because I miss them very much. But this is a sacrifice because she had to left her family and her children for some time for the training. And she said that, but this is a sacrifice I have to make for my country, and I will do my level best. Mary Kom has joined the people for the ethical treatment of animals and promoting its human education program and compassionate citizen. She has also spoken for the need of self-defense training for women. She took part and takes part in many programs and many humanity programs. So she says that all this sport always. She says that every woman must get trained for self-security. This should be made an essential part of this study. ये उनकी एक request रही है, humble request रही है, and she wants it eagerly that every woman must get trained for self-security. Every woman gets self-defense. Every woman knows how to self-defense herself, and this should be made an essential part of our study, of our education system. Mary, who idolized the boxing legend Muhammad Ali for his willpower, said that she has begun light training for the 2014 Commonwealth Games in Glasgow. Now my priority is to qualify for the Commonwealth Games. Although a medal at Rio Olympic is very tempting, she said. She said that she is qualified Commonwealth Games, and although she is looking for Rio Olympic Games. In April 2013, Olympic bronze medalist Mary Kom was conferred the Padma Bhushan for distinguished service in high order in the field of sports, and she awarded by the Padma Shri Award in 2013. So this was the biography of MC Mary Kom. I hope you understood and enjoyed it. Thank you.